Sorry for your loss.
No, they are my chicken nuggets. Do it again. Oh my god! It's on the edge. Hit it. No!
Not overeating, I know that. Look at.
What is it?
You're gonna hurt yourself. Misty.
Meow.
Excuse me.
Mila! Mila! Bagel, no! Bagel! Bagels!
Honey.
Oh shit, kitty.
His meow is so cute.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Oh, dude. Little hiding spot.
Stop being ratchet. I don't know what you're doing, but you're sure good at it.
Ooh.
Leaving for work. Bye. Love you. All right.
Спасибо, моя кися.
Don't do it. Oh no. Oh no.
Ow. Hi.
What are you doing?
Who did this?
Paige, it's you.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, those are my Cheetos. I'm not picking a fight. Just. Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth.
This dumbass fell asleep in the water.
She's so brave. She's well behaved.
I love you.
No. I said no.
Please, oh my god.
Oh no, it's a whole, oh my gosh, I can't take you off.
I'm gluten free. Get it out.
Huh? Huh?
Ready?
Hey.
Oh, did she say hi?
Oh, it's cold.
Hoş geldin.
I have a spider cat in my jacket.
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump. Pussy.
Gotta get you clean. me.
No, Ivor, no!
And they're just super playful. They still. Oh!
Krieger. Why are you so bad?
Tell me you have a golden retriever without telling me you have a golden.
Ziegler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh!
Excuse me? George! George!
There you go.
Shut up.
You got some right here. You got some right here.
Do you have any words of wisdom today? Okay. Wow. I am, thank you.
You say hi?
Want somebody?
It's my little baby. We're besties.
Oh my god!